Hey, I'm Christian Velitchkov, co-founder of Twiz. I've personally scaled multiple companies to $1 million, scaled Twiz to over 2 million, and basically I'm just here to share you as much knowledge and information that I have to everyone else. So today I'm going to be talking about Instagram lead generation. It's an untapped channel. There's a lot of opportunity, and I'm going to show you some really cool tricks for Instagram lead gen. So the first thing I would recommend is you create a profile with a personal picture and some photos of your lifestyle. Just keep it simple. Don't buy followers. Try to engage and just get this up. So once your profile is done, you want to personalize. You want it under your name and everything else. Then you want to find the people you're targeting. So if you're an agency, and this also works for influencer marketing, you know, you if let's just say I'm going to be targeting, I have a picture of a dog here. I'm going to be targeting companies that offer dog treats, or let's just say I'm going to think of let's just say a dog subscription box. So I'm going to go to Google now. So on Google, I'm going to basically do site Instagram.com plus the keyword I want, which is going to be, let's just do dog subscription box, right? And then I'm just going to hit enter. So now what you see is on the website, Instagram.com, I want the keyword to show subscription box. So now you have all these different companies here to look through. So, and you could go further into this process. So now you don't want to spam people. So everything I do is very manual. I don't use automation. Don't try it. It's a waste of time. You're going to spend more time doing the automation than actually sending out 20 messages a custom. Like, come on. I highly recommend you doing it manual so it's not spammy, create value. So I'm just going to open up some of these profiles here. The Wolf Box, Scholars Club, um, Pure Earth Pets subscription. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to look at their last post. What is their date? So July 9th. That's a little too far out. So I'm not going to actually contact them. I want some people that are still active in social media. So this does not fit my criteria. Go to the next one. Click on this post. November 2021. They're probably out of business by this point in time, or they're just not doing social media anymore. So I'm not going to be contacting them. That means they're not active on Instagram. It's a waste of time. I'm going to go here, Wolfbox, 9 followers, October 10th. So they are active. They were posted 20 days ago. I'm going to save this tab. I'll click here. October 31st, 2021, too long ago. Another one, Pure Earth Pets, September 18th. Not horrible, but this is over a month ago on the post. So if you're having a struggle to find these brands, then yeah, I would probably keep the ones that have posted at least in a month. So if a lot of them didn't show up, I'm just going to keep clicking on more. So I'm going to go to the next tab. You don't want to click on too many. Clicking on the Instagram dog subscription box. And you can do this for every keyword. So if I'm not getting a lot of success here, clearly this is not what I'm looking for. Pause co, right? Just ordered 2016. So this is probably not a good keyword to target. So let's go look at dog toys. So look at that. Dog toys. Bull tug. Company led by dogs, right? So let's go find some of these. So they're doing a giveaway. September 15th. So that was 6 weeks ago. Pepperoni, Applaw, August 30th. So they're kind of active. They've done some social media. Bull tug. So 3 hours ago. This is perfect. So what I would do here is now I will go, you could follow them. I would follow, and then I would message them. And then I will do something custom. Hey, Bull Tug, I absolutely loved your last Halloween post with Frankenstein. I came across your profile while scrolling through my feed, and I thought it would be a great idea to reach out and provide a free video analyzing your website. I work with a lot of dog brands like Company One, Company Two. I won't send it, but that's something you want to do. So you want to have a message where you have like, here I work with a lot of dog brands like Company One. So like for me, it could be like Dope Dog, Rogue Pet Science, etc. So I could change my copy up a little bit. Camera Pro, scrolling through my feed, uh, and I work with a lot of blog lens like this. So I thought it would be a great idea to reach out and provide a free, like, what's the best email to send it to? So why do I type it out instead of copying and pasting something? Why? Because my only objective with this is to make it manual. I don't hit spam. Like they don't report me. It looks genuine, and I'm doing it. Automating it, you could try to do that, but doing a manual approach, send out 20. You could send out 20 of these a day per Instagram account, and you could do it in any industry, any keyword. I usually just try to stick to where my case studies are, and if you don't have case studies, just talk about other companies you've looked at, just compare, and then once you give you the email, just create that free video or whatever lead magnet you want to do. And this is how you can lead gen on what was it called, on LinkedIn. And you want to use a personal profile. You want to create a genuine message, go through each profile, look at the posts, talk about the posts, follow them, engage, and you should see some really good results with that. All right, y'all. Hopefully this was valuable, and I look forward to making more content for y'all. All right. Bye-bye.